mathematicians. So today we see one nice part B problem. It is about dimensions of vector spaces. Okay, so we look at the vector space of all symmetric matrices, and we look at trace zero symmetric matrices, and we want to know its dimension. Okay, so before we go into the problem, first let's see a connect. Let's see what is dimension and how to calculate the dimension using number of free variables. Okay, so first let me tell you some examples. So you consider yeah, xy plane. Then if you look at the x-axis, uh, what is the equation of x-axis? So if you look, set of x comma 0 such that x belongs to R. Okay, so this is precisely x-axis, because if you take any point on x-axis, y coordinate will be 0. Okay, so our general understanding is, if you look at any line, okay, yeah, whatever line, so line has dimension 1. Okay, why is it so? Because an arbitrary line in the R2, so you consider ax plus by equal to 0. Okay, uh, any equation in two variable represent a line. Why? Because you can write yeah, you can write x equal to minus by a. Now b and a are constant. Y is the variable x depends on the variable y. Okay, so x is a dependent variable, and y you can put any arbitrary real number. Okay, so you substitute some value for y. So y is a free variable and x is a dependent variable or non-free variable. Okay, therefore if it is a equation in two variable, one variable is dependent, one variable is independent or free. Okay, therefore since it is only one free variable, it means that it is one dimension. One dimension mean it is a line. Okay, similarly if it is like two, if you look at the full plane, xy plane, it has dimension 2. Okay, so if you look at the equation in in three variables, xy ax plus 3y plus 3z equal to 0. Here you can write a x as minus by minus maybe we can take it arbitrary here, minus by minus cz by a. Okay, now here this y you can take any real number, and z you can take any real number. Depends on the variables y and z. X varies. Okay, x is not an independent variable, only y and z are independent variable. Okay, so any equation in three variables, there are only two of them are independent, or only two of them are free, only one of them is dependent. Since there are two free variables, an equation in three variables represent a plane, therefore it has dimension 2. Okay, so now for example, you can look at the equations x plus y equal to 0. Okay, so basically this is, you can write it as y equal to minus x, or you can write x equal to minus y also, doesn't matter. So if you write it like this, then x is a free variable. Okay, you can put x any value, but y will be dependent on x. Y is nothing but minus x. Okay, or similarly you can write x equal to minus y. In this case, y is a free variable and x is dependent on x. Okay, so x plus y equal to 0 represents this line, x equal to minus y. If you consider this line, any points on this line will satisfy the condition x plus y equal to 0. Okay, okay, so the dimension is equal to number of free variables. Okay, so here the line has dimension 1, and that is exactly same as number of free variables. Either x is can be taken as a free variable or y can be taken as a free variable. If x is free variable, then y will be a dependent variable. If y is free variable, then x will be a dependent variable. So in each case, number of free variable is 1. Okay, so number of free variable equal to the dimension. Similarly, here number of free variable is 2 and this equation represents a plane. Therefore, number of free variable is equal to the dimension. Okay. So, in any such problems, you have to look for number of free variables. Number of free variables will be equal to the dimension. Okay. Um, okay. Let's do this problem. So we want to find the dimension of the vector space of all symmetric matrices of order n with real entries and trace also equal to 0. Okay. Maybe for the time being, don't worry about the trace equal to 0 condition. First we find the dimension of the vector space of symmetric matrices of order n by n. Okay. So first we do 4 by 4 case. Okay. So if it is a 4 by 4 matrix, then you will have maybe I have written here. So if it is a 4 by 4 matrix, how many entries it will have? It will have 16 entries. Okay. So these 16 entries you can think of as a 16 tuples. Okay. So basically this is can be thought of as a vector in R power 16. Okay. So if it is a real 4 by 5 real 4 by 4 matrix, it can be thought of as a vector in R power 16. So set of all 4 by 4 real matrices has dimension 16. Therefore, set of all n by n real matrices has dimension n square. Okay. If it is a 4 by 4 matrix, dimension 16. If it is a n by n matrix, there will be n square entries. Okay. Then you can think of this matrix as a is a vector in R power n square. So set of all n by n real matrices has dimension n square. That is the first thing. Now we come to symmetric matrices. Okay. So symmetric matrices satisfies A equal to A transpose. Correct. So we'll do in the 4 by 4 case, we count the dimension of 4 by 4 real symmetric matrices. Same idea we can use it in a n by n symmetric matrix case also. Okay. So what is the meaning of A equal to A transpose? A equal to A transpose means that Aij equal to Aji. Correct. So the matrix Aij entry should be equal to Aji. So basically these two entries should be same. 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 Okay. Now we come to the concept of free variables. These two variables are equal, right? Whatever value you put here, the same value should be here. Okay. Therefore, you can take this as a free variable and this will be a dependent variable. Okay. So this is a free variable. Similarly, you can take this is a free variable. Okay. Let's just strike out the uh, dependent variables. So so okay, this is a free variable. Let's take, so I mean these two values should be equal. Whatever value comes here, the same value has to come here. Okay. So you put any real number here. So keep it free, but whatever value you put here, that value only should come here. Therefore, you can take this as a free variable and this as a this variable depends on this variable. Therefore, this is a dependent variable. Since it is a dependent variable, we strike out because dependent variables is not going to contribute to the dimension. Similarly, you take this as a free variable, then this will be a dependent variable, so we strike out. Similarly, this is a dependent variable, this is a dependent variable, this is a dependent variable. So all these things will be dependent variable. Okay. And all these variables will be independent variable. Okay. So once you fix this, you can vary this number, but this variable, but depends on this variable will be changed. So this variable depends on this variable. So this is it's not going to contribute to the dimension. Okay. So now all these things are what? free variables. Now we come to the diagonal. So Aij should be equal to Aji in the symmetric matrices. It does not put any condition on the diagonals. Okay. So diagonals can be anything. Therefore, all these variables also free variables. Okay. Therefore, what is the dimension? Dimension equal to, you try to sum this way, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So we get 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is equal to 10. Okay. In general, what is the dimension of n by n symmetric matrices using the same idea? 1 plus n, sorry, 1 plus 2 plus etc. plus n, this is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay. So this is the dimension of set of all n by n symmetric matrices. Suppose, now let's calculate the dimension of set of all n by n skew symmetric matrices. Okay. So if it is skew symmetric matrices, means you have A equal to minus A transpose. Okay. Again, Aij equal to minus Aij. Therefore, so if you, by using the same idea, all these variables will be independent, free variables, depends on this variable. This variable should be negative of this variable. Okay, so this variable will be still depends on this variable. So all these variables are dependent variable because all these things are negative of these entries. Okay, but if Aij equal to Aji, we get, what is aii? We get aii equal to minus aii. Okay, so in the, so this is the general condition for this is the general condition for entries of a skew symmetric matrix. If you apply this condition to the diagonal entries, you get aii equal to minus aii. But aii equal to minus aii means this aii equal to 0. Okay. Therefore, what we conclude is, in skew symmetric matrices, all the diagonal entries are 0. Okay. So all these diagonal entries are 0. If it is 0, it won't contribute to the dimension. So in skew symmetric matrices, these are the only independent variables. These are the only free variables. In symmetric matrices, you have the diagonal also free variable, but in skew symmetric matrices, only these are all the free variables. So we get now, what is the dimension of n by n skew symmetric matrices? 1 plus 2 plus etc. plus up to n minus 1 only. Okay. So for example, here in the 4 by 4 case, 1 plus 2 plus 3, but so in a 4 case we are going till 3. Okay. So if it is a n by n matrix, in the diagonal you will have n entry, but the diagonal won't contribute. So in the this diagonal you will have n minus 1 entry. So 1, 2, etc. plus n minus 1. Okay. So what is 1 plus 2 plus etc. n minus 1? This is n minus 1 into n by 2. Okay. So n minus 1 and n by 2 is the dimension of set of all n by n skew symmetric matrices. Okay. Okay, now we know the dimension of set of all symmetric matrices and skew symmetric matrices. Now we come to our problem. So we want to find the dimension of the vector space of all symmetric matrices of order n, and they are saying the trace also equal to 0. Okay, so what is trace? Trace means sum of the diagonal entries. Sorry, trace of a equal to 0 means that a11, a22, a33 plus a44. Sum of the diagonal entries should be 0. So again you see, this is a equation in 4 variable, right? a11, a22, a33, a44. So you get a11 equal to a22 minus a33, a44. So you can take these 3 variables as a free variables, and this will be a dependent variable. Okay. So for each constraint, you will get a dependent variable. Okay, trace equal to 0 is a one condition. So for that condition, you have to reduce the dimension by 1. Okay, so that is the idea. So if you, when you look at the set of all symmetric matrices, all these 4 entries were free. All these variables were free variables because this symmetric condition doesn't put any condition on the diagonal entries. If you put the trace equal to 0, then this variable will be dependent on these variables. Therefore, in the diagonal only these three variable will be free and this will be a dependent variable. Therefore, what is the dimension of set of all symmetric triac zero matrices? Again, 1 plus 2 up to here it is n minus 1. 1 plus 2 plus etc plus n minus 1. Now here you have n entry, but in this n entry you are going to take only n minus 1 entry. Okay, because this one entry will be linear combination of this entry. Okay, therefore dimension of skew symmetric matrices will be uh, equal to dimension of symmetric trace zero matrices will be equal to 1 plus 2 plus etc plus n minus 1. Why? This corresponds to off diagonals. So if it is a symmetric matrix, all these off diagonals above the diagonal are free variables. For them we are getting 1 plus 2 plus etc n minus 1. In the diagonal we are getting only n minus 1 is independent, so plus n minus 1. So we get, so this value is n into n minus 1 by 2 plus n minus 1. So you simplify them, you get n square plus n by 2 minus 1. Okay, therefore we get n square plus n by 2 minus 1. That is what we got, right? Let me check. N square plus n by 2 minus 1. N square plus n by 2 minus 1. Okay, therefore option B is correct. Okay, so I hope you understand clearly. So you try to solve, there are many problems in CSR like finding the dimension of vector space of symmetric matrices, skew symmetric, other types of matrices also. With this idea of free variables, you try to solve those problems, you might get a clear idea. Okay, okay guys, so if you like this video, please like it, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it, and have a good day. I'll meet you guys in different problem. Thank you.